Namaskar, welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. Have a look on the headlines. Enterprising efforts of Sintering Plant 2 Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant leads to tangible as well as intangible benefits. Communication meeting and an award function held at SSM department. And awareness program on integrated management system held. Now the news in detail. An enterprising team of employees from Sintering Plant 2 of Rourkela Steel Plant successfully modified the water cooling system, as a result of which the overflowing water can be reclaimed and reused without getting wasted. This endeavour has brought about a substantial saving of Rs 22.68 lakhs to the company. It may be noted that water used to overflow from the tank of the water cooling system and get wasted. The team, comprising Mr. P.S. Badaik, manager, and the senior technicians Mr. S.K. Pradhan, Mr. M. Rahman, Mr. U.C. Datta, Mr. M.K. Mishra, worked out a solution to check the water loss. Using in-house available resources, they connected the tank to the cooling towers with a pipe. A proximity level switch was installed in the tank to maintain the water level. With these modifications, the overflow water of cooling tower reservoirs are being collected centrally and recycled to the cooling tower and reused in the sinter, making process and other ancillary jobs at SP2. In a special award function organized at Sintering Plant 2 Department on 21st July, Mr. S.R. Datta, GM Sinter, felicitated the team members for their exemplary contributions. Present on the occasion were Mr. A.C. Sarkar, DGM, Mr. S.K. Padhi, DGM Electrical, and other senior officers of the department. The program was coordinated by Mr. Subhendu Garud, Assistant Manager Personnel. An HOD communication meeting and an award function of Silicon Steel Mills Department was organized at RDCIS Conference Hall on 21st July. Mr. A. Biswas, DGM in charge SSM, presided over the meeting. Present on the occasion were Mr. C.R. Misra, DGM, Mr. M.P. Raja Rao, DGM, other officers and employees of the department. In the meeting, emphasis was laid on safety. Mr. D. Banerjee, DSO, CRM and SSM briefed the participants about the accident status in RSP and SAIL, safety requirements, precautions to be taken. Presentations were also made by Mr. C.R. Misra on the targets, achievements, best production data, techno-economic parameters and the do's and don'ts for the department. In the interaction session, various issues were deliberated and valuable suggestions were made with regard to the improvement in production and productivity of the department. During the meeting, Mr. Biswas also handed over the Employee of the Month award to Mr. M. Bandaki, Senior Technician, Mr. M. Lakra, Senior Operative for the month of May and June respectively, and congratulated them for their exemplary contribution. It is worth mentioning that Mr. Bandaki was awarded for his contribution towards the restoration of HT3 pump base and setup of SSM, while Mr. Lakra was recognized for his contribution towards improving the prime acceptance to 81%. Ms. Lopamudra Mishra, Assistant Manager Personnel, coordinated the program. A day-long program on integrated management system awareness was held at HRD Center on 24th July. In all, 27 employees attended the workshop. The awareness program focused on departmental quality objectives with respect to ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System, ISO 14001-2015 EMS Environmental Issues, OHSAS 18001-2007, that is Occupational Health and Safety, and Social Accountability SA 8000 2014. The program concluded with a quiz and a feedback session. The program was coordinated by Ms. Annapurna Behra, Assistant Manager HRD. And with this, we wind up the news bulletin. Namaskar.